Okay, cleared out the pavers for my new little courtyard area. So that's what we're gonna work on today. Get all this cleared out and level it the best I can. Not trying to be perfect because I'm not a contractor. I just want it to look better than it does. And have a nice little shaded sitting area. So the water, when it rains, all the water just washes down here and down the walkway that I created. I put granite, and granite washes, does help, you know, it works a little bit. Just have to make it work better. So I'm going to finish smoothing this out, and then we'll bring it back in.